Hello audience. So today we will discuss about vocabulary which are important for CSS, PMS and other competitive examinations. So the first one is prospectus, just like in universities. So its synonym is brochure. Next one, prosaic. So its meaning is dull. Next one, punctilious. So its synonym is meticulous. Next one, quell. Quell meaning is to suppress. Next one, quixotic. So quixotic synonym is idealistic or impractical. Next one, docile. So its synonym is obedient or subservient. Next one, dubious. So its synonym is doubtful. Egotistical. So its synonym is selfish. Next one, embellished. So its synonym is adorned or decorated. Next one, embodiment, so living example of. Next one, empathetic, so exhibiting deep emotional understanding. Next one, encompassed, so its synonym is included or surrounded. Next one, endorsed, so its synonym is supported. Next one, envisioning, so imagining or predicting. Next one, epitome. Epitome mean essence or typical example or symbol of. Next one, equanimity, so peace of mind, balance, calm. Next one, equitable, so its synonym is fair and equal. Next one, erudition, so scholarly knowledge or learning. Next one, esoteric, so esoteric mean obscure or something which are known to few people. Next one, eulogy, so its synonym is praise, admiration. Next one, exacerbate. Exacerbate meaning is to make something more worse. Next one, excise. Excise mean cut out. Next one, exemplar. So exemplar meaning is excellent example of. Next one, exorbitant. So its meaning is excessive. Next one, exotic. Exotic mean alien, foreign or strange. Next one, finesse. So its synonym is skill. Next one, fiction. Fiction synonym is section, group. Next one, fastidious, very fussy, excessively concerned. Next one, extant. So its synonym is something which are still in existence. Next one, fidelity. Fidelity mean loyalty, obedience, faithfulness. And last one, flabbergast. So its synonym is shock, surprising. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Please subscribe Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you and God bless you all.